driving around. I guess I'll have somewhat of an intro. Kind of just running some errands today. Thought I'd record me driving around, doing things. It's me and my girlfriend's anniversary today. That's nice. Getting money in the bank. Go to dinner, go bowling and mini golfing. Yeah. Oh, C7Z. That's nice. Alrighty. Yeah. Now going to pick up some lunch. When I get home, probably gonna clean up the interior since normal paint's pretty, or the exterior is pretty clean at the moment. I've kept it pretty decent. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just heading to McDonald's to get something, honestly. So yeah, we'll do a quick, probably like montage thing of me wiping out the exterior and the interior. What's bro doing? He was there forever and just not moving. Alrighty. But yeah, we'll head and get some lunch. I'll catch you all whenever I get my lunch and we're on the drive back home. Talk some more. Dude at the McDonald's window having me rev my car. Kind of wish I recorded that then, because he's just sitting there at the window complimenting the exhaust and stuff on it, and I absolutely love it whenever that happens, because it makes my day and I'm glad it makes them happy. But revved it up a little bit for the dude at McDonald's. Mustang there, or it's under the Taco Bell by side or McDonald's, and he was going there. So I love the color, the green color on those. Absolutely beautiful car. Yeah, heading back home. Probably gonna do a little try and maybe do like a little montage or speed less thing. Me getting the inside of this cleaned up, because there's mud on the door panels from what y'all will see whenever I get home. How my driveway is, and I complain about it constantly. Get my shoes dirty, and just whenever somebody gets in and their feet accidentally hit the door panel, gets muddy. But so yeah, I don't think it doesn't really need a wash, because other night took it to touchless wash and the pressure washers, and got her cleaned up pretty good. I wanted to maybe try and paint correct this thing myself. Just do a light one, nothing crazy. Just a little microfiber pad and a buffer. Detail it down and ceramic coat it or something like that. I'm sure I could figure out how to do it. That'd be fun. Process once I get the time. And I thought about making a video of wrapping the roof back on the car, because I like black roofs, the whole thing, but I don't know how it'll look on my car since it's the really dark gray. I don't know if it'll turn out good or bad. I definitely want to get, I definitely want to try getting the chrome, or not chrome, just yeah, I guess these little plastic pieces, black or carbon fiber. I think that would look really good. And then get, I have these carbon fiber inserts in the car right here, and so probably I may go carbon fiber like everybody does, but just wrap, not real carbon, because real carbon is expensive, and I really want to supercharge the car first before I do any major other thing. I guess not really. This probably isn't too expensive, but I definitely want to save my money. I guess this thing boosted, because I can't wait for that. I think it's not like I race a whole bunch. I take it to the drag strip every once in a while. I think on my TikTok there's a couple two videos of me and my cousin at the strip racing, and he street races a bunch and likes to dig on the street and all that. So he's a lot more experienced than I am, and I think he ran like a 12.6 in his NA car, and I think the fastest I ran was like a flat 13 for my first time ever at the drag strip, which I don't think is horrible for my first time, but it's definitely not what this car definitely not what this car is capable of. So I don't know how good the tire. I haven't done a lot of research into tires yet, and I know after I supercharge it, we're going coilovers, and then after coils, probably wheels and tires after coilovers. I know once though I gotta get whenever I get the supercharger, I'm getting LU 47 injectors, so the 47-pound injectors off the GT350, and then a booster pump, VMP booster pump. So it should put me like right around 600 wheel until I decide that I have to throw more money and get her. I think the most the G2 can put out is 800. So I think what I'll try and do is get 700 out of it eventually as I start upgrading things, and then sell off the G2. Or I don't know if you can buy just like the G3 like turbo thing where it's a centrifugal, so little, like I guess turbo. I don't entirely know how that all works, but see if I could. If you can just buy that separately, then I'll just do that. But if you need the whole kit, then I'll, of course, swap it out, sell the old one, and go NA for a little bit, and then get the G3, and then I'm not getting the upgraded intercooler right away when I get the G2. I know you can get the G3, and your ITs stay really good. It's not super hot where I am, like ever. I mean, yes, some summer days it gets really hot. I just won't be able to be on the car then. But yeah. But yeah, I was going with a standard intercooler, and then I'll eventually buy their G3 intercooler and upgrade it, or whenever I go into the G3. I don't know if y'all can see anything because of the glare off my windshield. This is not fun to go up. We got piles of gravel finally, so finally gonna be fixed, and you know, not a pain for me to get up because I'm the only one in my family that has a car like this. Yeah, there's the Camaro up here, but that thing does not run, and we need to push it back into the garage so we can get it running. And I think honestly the motor I have, I may just swap into there so I don't have to buy anything, and it'd be cool car for my dad to run around in. But yeah, we got my mom's Tahoe. That thing, you know, obviously doesn't struggle. My brother's got 2011 GMC Sierra, so that thing doesn't have any trouble. And then my dad's got a 2020 F-150 as his work truck, and then a 2015 Silverado 1500, or it's like it's a dually. It's the 1500 Chevy. I can't remember the exact name of it. It's a high country, and of course that thing has no trouble at all getting up there. So then there's me, or then my girlfriend has that Subaru Forester as I come in. So, but yeah, that's all I have to really talk about at the moment. So I guess we'll probably cut to probably a little time lapse of me trying to get things cleaned up, and then I'll give you all an outro. But see you guys then. Alrighty, I guess now we're gonna get her all cleaned up, paint's not too dirty, so I'm not gonna worry about washing it later. It's, well, a little dirty, but ain't nothing horrible like it sometimes is. So, sure, we're gonna start getting her clean. Alrighty, we've mostly got it all swept out. The carpets, throw away receipts. All I'm really gonna do is now wipe the mud off everything that's gotten stuck, and that'll be it for the little detail. So nothing just crazy, just getting it cleaned up and ready to go. So go ahead and do that. Alrighty, I got basically everything clean that I wanted to. Just a quick little sweep and wipe down and everything, most of the mud off and dirt. And yeah, so that'll wrap it up for today. And well, I'll catch you all next time. See ya.